In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide lock screen notification on Samsung phone. So each time your Samsung phone screen lock, then you may have your notifications on the screen just like this. With Samsung device, you can turn off this feature on your Samsung phone to hide your lock screen notifications even while the phone is locked. Now to do this, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. While on the settings, scroll down and click on notifications. Then tap lock screen notifications. Here you have option to turn on lock screen notification, hide content on lock screen notification. When you hide the content on your lock screen notification, the notifications will be available but the content of the notifications will be hidden. However, if you choose show content when unlocked, immediately you unlock your Samsung phone screen, the hidden content on the lock screen notification will be shown. However, to hide lock screen notifications completely, all you need to do is turn off lock screen notification. With the Samsung phone lock screen notification turned off, you no longer see any notification on your Samsung phone. So this is how to turn off lock screen notifications on Samsung device. If you found this really helpful, you want to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.